In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, edit, customize, and link text on the Wix editor. Whether you're building a personal blog, a professional portfolio, or an e-commerce site, having visually appealing and strategically linked text is crucial for engaging visitors. So, let's explore how to enhance your site's text elements with Wix. First, let's talk about adding text to your website. Begin by navigating to the left-hand side of the Wix editor, where you'll find the option titled Add Elements. Click on that, and a menu will appear. Look for the Text option. Once you've located it, you'll be presented with various templates that you can choose from, ranging from headers to paragraphs. Simply select the one that suits your design needs and drag it to your site. Use this step to set the stage for your content, giving your users the key messages or calls to action they may need. Now that the text is on your page, let's move on to customization. Customizing text in Wix is super intuitive. Just click on the text box you've added, and an option to edit text will appear. By clicking this, you'll open up a toolbox of possibilities. Here, you can dive into styling options like changing the font type and adjusting font size, which allows your text to align with your overall site theme. But that's not all. You can tweak the text alignment for better balance on your page, add text effects for dynamic styling, or apply emphasis through bold or italic applications. Customization is about making the text your own. So take advantage of these tools to make your text not just readable, but remarkable. Finally, it's essential to know how to link text, which is a powerful way to guide your site's navigation flow. Once you've selected the text you'd like to turn into a clickable link, look for the chain link icon that appears when the text box is active. Clicking this will open up different linking options available to you. You can choose to direct users to another page within your site, which is great for keeping visitors engaged and reducing bounce rates. Alternatively, select an external web address to send users to relevant information outside your site. There's also the option to connect to specific anchors or sections on your current page, which is particularly helpful for longer content where you want to guide readers to key information. With these steps, you're equipped to manage your site's text efficiently. Adding, editing, customizing, and linking text are simple yet powerful ways to ensure your site is both attractive and functional. Thanks for watching, and happy site building on Wix.